Gwa thiko ya keri munene wa borithi wa ihinda Gilbert Masegeri ni atafanirie giikaro kia mwanya na anene a honge itiganite cia borithi. Ajenda nene ari guthurima wihariria wa bururi na honge cia ugitiri hari kung'ethanira na mururungano uria uhariirio gukahanika muthenya wa rucio wa 8/8.
All those planning to exercise their rights of participation in public demonstration, presenting petition or assembling should do so in compliance with the attendant laws.
Mucemanio rumiririo gioto urahanikire muthenya wa ira thukuru-ini wa guthomithia maabitha borithi ya AP wa Embakasi. Umuthi Masegeri akihinyiriria maabitha borithi mari cemba gukang'ethanira na ciiko ciothe ciohaguku wa ugitiri iria ikeyumiria hindi ya mururungano uyu wa 8/8.
In anticipation, we have ensured adequate deployment of security personnel. However, members of public are advised to take extra caution while in crowded areas that are likely to turn riotous.
Borithi makihithuria mari na riboti cia kwihokeka cia ugaceru ikionania ati kuri na mubango wa nyanake gukaingirira mururungano uyu wa ruciu na gucungiriria uthukangia wa indo no haguku wa ugitiri undu uria mehitite matiri hindi magitikiria uthie na mbere.
Already, our intelligence report indicated that there are security threats to the country, with criminal planning to infiltrate tomorrow's demonstration and commit further crimes. Those going against the rule of law have to be dealt with as per the law.
Iguru ria maya Masegeri ni ateteire maabitha borithi kumana na mateta ati ni makoretwo makinyita andu migwate makiria riothe mekuruhanirie na mirurungano iria iriga kiuga ni hari ngurani ya kunyitwo migwate na gwikio ngono ni maabitha a borithi.
It's good that you differentiate arrest and abduction. When one is arrested, is taken to a police station and the due process is followed. Later, after investigation, produced before the court of law.
Maya ni uriria atongoria matiganite mathiite na mbere guthingata muingi na mbeu njithi gutianiria mubango uyu wa gugatabania mururungano muthenya wa ruciu na handu-ini hoguo makamathingata mahe thirikari mwekegerie gwethera kihonia kihiri kia mateta maria makoretwo na mohindi ya mirurungano.
Wale wamepanga mambo ya 8/8, naomba wairishe hiyo 8/8, tumpe rais nafasi ya kufanya kazi na kuona kwamba hii baraza ameteua na ile matakwa ya wale vijana wa Gen Z imesikizwa na iendelee kusikizwa, kwa sababu wa vijana wameleta nchi kuchangamka na wametoa mwelekeo mzuri. Kwa hivyo wapewe nafasi yao, bado waendelee kusikizwa, na pia wakubali rais apewe nafasi yake ya kuendelesha nchi yetu ya Kenya.
Patie hii serikali muda. Tunajua kwamba kuna watu ambao walikuwa wanafikiri kwamba wana njama zao za kisiasa za kuweza kuleta msukasuko katika serikali. Lakini tunawaambia vijana wetu, matakwa yenu yaliweza kusikizwa na yataendelea kutimizwa.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.